Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious omelette, perfect for breakfast, dinner or lunch. To make this, you need 1 fresh onion, brown mushroom 4. You also need spring onion 1, bell pepper, just half of it, and chicken seasoning, 4 eggs, black pepper. So the next thing I'm going to do is to chop all my ingredients. I'm going to start by chopping the onion into medium size, or you can chop the onion the way you like. While I'm chopping the onion, I'm going to ask you, if you're new here, you've not subscribed, this is the time to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Do not forget to share this video with your friends and family, and also leave your comment. Thank you as you do so. After cutting the onion, the next thing I do is to cut my mushroom, and my mushroom has been washed off camera, all my ingredients, and I'm using brown mushroom because brown mushroom is more crunchier. If you don't like mushroom, I would advise that you add it to your daily or weekly diet because mushroom is high in vitamin D, most especially if you live abroad where there's no sun, so you want to add it to your diet. If you don't like it, all you need to do is to cut it into small pieces. With that, you're not going to notice it in your omelette or anything that you want to use it for. So after cutting the mushroom, the next thing I did was to cut my bell pepper, and with the bell pepper you can replace it with fresh tomato. Sometimes I use fresh tomato. After cutting the bell pepper, I went in and cut the spring onion, scotch bonnet. Scotch bonnet is optional. If you don't want your omelette to be spicy, just leave it out. After prepping all my ingredients, the next thing I did was to add chicken seasoning, and with the chicken seasoning I just add a little. You can even do without it, I'm just being extra. So now add black pepper to boost the flavor. After that, I crack my egg. I'm using 4 eggs for this recipe. So after adding the egg, I add some salt, then I make sure I mix it together until it's well combined. After mixing until it's well combined, the next step is to fry. I have my pan in a medium heat. To that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. I just like the flavor from the coconut oil. Allow the oil to heat up for at least 3 minutes. Then you can add in your omelette. When you add the omelette, you want to allow it to fry for at least 1 to 3 minutes. After frying for 3 minutes, flip the omelette over and continue frying for further 3 minutes. But trust me, it is difficult to flip this over, so it might break while flipping over. So don't worry, it's normal. Just flip it over and fry it for further 3 minutes until it turns golden brown. After 6 minutes, your omelette is ready. But trust me, I like my omelette golden brown, if possible a little bit burnt. So I'm going to fry it for further 4 minutes. It's your choice. At this point, if you want it creamy, just take it off the heat. But as I said, I love my omelette like golden brown or a little bit burnt, so I'm going to fry it for further 4 minutes before I take it off the heat. So in total it's 10 minutes. It's very easy to make this omelette, and it's so yummy, guys. Very yummy. You can use it for your breakfast. You can add it to your rice. It is so yummy that I don't want you to miss it. Please get your ingredients. Try this omelette recipe. So it's been 10 minutes. I'm taking it off the heat, and to enjoy this, I pair this with my toast, and I'm using a seeded bread because seeded bread is a little bit healthy, and this is how I enjoyed my breakfast. So you can try this out. Please, if you've not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and leave your comment to let me know if you're going to try this recipe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.